Hi, I'm Steve Stokes with REMAX Realty Team. We've got a really great place to show you today. It's a new construction. It's in a beautiful neighborhood. It's off of Cape Coral Parkway in that Finisterre Lake area, an area that I like so much. Now, this one is not on water, but it has some really unique perks. If you want something new, something fresh, with some real individuality, this could be it. I'm excited to show it to you. Let's go have a look. And if I can help you in any way with your real estate, if you'd like to work with me, just reach out, 239-645-2405. Send me a text message or give me a call, and we can start that process right away. Let's go look. I really like this home. This is built in 2022. It is brand new. I call it Waterfall Paradise, and you're going to find out why in a few minutes. So let's go in and explore together. Now, this is called a Florida coastal design. I really like it. It blends contemporary ideas with traditional Florida, ends up with a real clean look, and I hope you agree. This house is 2,017 square feet. Like I mentioned, it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3-car garage. Let's go in and check it out. As soon as we go inside, you're going to notice the upgrade lighting, and we have this wonderful Italian porcelain oak plank flooring throughout the entire home. It features board and batten shiplap wall ceiling details throughout. And you'll see that snow white dolomite marble accent wall and fireplace. It's a wonderful open concept design. There's the beautiful kitchen. We're going to go in and look at that in more detail in just a minute. But first, let's take a look at the first bedroom. So this is in the front of the home, and it's got a nice window. So this could be used also for a den or an office. It would make a great office, actually, being in the front of the home, or of course a fourth bedroom, your choice. So let's have a look at the kitchen. We have KitchenAid appliance package. We have a wine cooler, custom cabinets. We have the UMI of Naples quartz countertops. Just look at the thickness of that quartz countertop there. I really like the white quartz. I like the deep veins that run through it. I like this backsplash job they've done all the way up. These colors, they just really work. There's the formal dining area. And if you notice in the ceiling, the air conditioning vents, there are these long, thin slits. This is a new way of doing it. It's more efficient. It looks cooler. Really like that. Let's have a look at the first bathroom. And you'll notice right away the unique floor tile. Really makes this place pop. Of course, it's got great cabinets and countertops, double sink, but that floor tile design is just beautiful. And they run it in through the shower. Really like it. Frameless barn door showers with custom tile work. Of course, you've got the closets. All the closets have custom wood shelving. They ran the tile into the closet space. Just another great little perk. This entire house has a security camera system, pre-wired generator hookup, audio system with voice control. Hey, look at this laundry area. Up north we call this a mudroom, but it's great. I like how they put the backsplash in here to give it a little pizzazz. This opens up into a 3-car garage. Epoxy garage flooring. You got insulated garage doors with Wi-Fi control. Lots of space for all your toys. Here's our second bedroom. Again, that unique wall design. Impact sliders, of course, going to the pool area, which we will be out and looking at shortly. Here's our third bedroom. Again, that unique wall design, big closet, super nice lighting. And here we have our second bathroom. Barn door style shower, frameless. As we scoot across the open concept living room, you get another look at that pool area. That's really mind-blowing. We'll be looking at that last. But first, here's the main bedroom. Of course, we have the sliders that bleed out into the lanai, but look at this ceiling. Don't even know how to describe it. Really unique, and I really like it. The main bathroom features brushed iceberg marble, a composite resin soaking tub. We've got these double closets with all custom shelving. Both of them are huge. There we go. I like the layout of the soaking tub. And this brushed iceberg marble. Yeah, so cool. And look at that, there is there's a water source in the ceiling. That's going to give you a real neat effect. And also just check out the drain. It's just a slit. Again, super modern. Real cool place. Now we're going to go out and check out something really unique, the pool area. First of all, we've got these 90-degree sliders. Let me just get them open here and show you how that works. This will open up the side of your home, really bring the pool into the house. The pool is smart controlled with touchscreen and apps, brushed marble pavers, cabana with bar and full outdoor kitchen, fenced in backyard. Check it out. And of course, the waterfall. I've never seen this before in a home. This is my first one. That is really spectacular. You've got an 8-person spillover spa. Great place to get in and have a soak. Plus, you've even got your own pool shower over here. Look at that. Really makes an impression. And of course, like I said, the whole backyard is fenced, and these are brushed marble pavers around the bathroom. There's that waterfall. I don't understand it. I don't know how that works, but it looks great. Here's the summer kitchen. I can just see myself barbecuing back here at night and looking out at the people in the pool through the waterfall. Yeah, it's pretty cool. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to work with me with real estate, just reach out with a text message, 239-645-2405. I'll send you some listings. I'll send you a real estate map. I'll get you the exact property you're looking for in Southwest Florida. Thanks for joining me.